video, we're going to look at ordering fractions. We're going to begin by counting in fractions, and to help us, we're going to use a number rod like the one that you can see here. So let's have a look at our first example. Here we're counting up in halves, and you'll see it goes half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Now you'll notice that we've got a mixture of fractions, whole numbers and mixed numbers. Now when we're counting up in fractions, we look at the denominators. So here we say 1/2, but we wouldn't say 2/2 because that's when it moves to a whole number. So we've got the whole number of 1 there, then we've got the mixed number of 1.5, then 2 and 2.5, and so on. Looking at another fraction, we can see by the denominator we're counting up in fifths, and we started at 3/5, so the next fraction would be 4/5. Now here we wouldn't say 5/5, we'd say 1. So then we've got 1, 1 and 1/5, 1 and 2/5, 1 and 3/5, 1 and 4/5, 2. 2 and 1/5, 2 and 2/5, 2 and 3/5, and the next one would be 2 and 4/5, and 3, and so on. Here's one for you to try. So we've got, look at the denominator to see what we're counting up in, and see if you can work out what these missing numbers would be. Pause the video, have a little go, and come back and see if you were correct. So let's see how you got on then. So as you can see, we're counting up in sixths. So we've got 5/6 here and a missing number. We've got 1 and 1/6, 1 and 2/6, 1 and 3/6, 1 and 4/6, a missing number, and 2. Now, whenever we've got a missing number, we need to look at the numbers around it to help us out. So let's start off by looking here. We've got 5/6. Now, some people might say, oh, well, it's 6/6 next, but we wouldn't put 6/6. We'd say that was 1 whole. So we've got 1. And this number here also gives us a clue because we've got 1 and 1/6. So that gives us a clue that this would be the whole number of 1. So moving on, we've got 1 and 1/6, 1 and 2/6, 1 and 3/6, 1 and 4/6, 1 and 5/6, 2, because we wouldn't say 1 and 6/6. So it moves to the whole number of 2.